guys, welcome to our channel AI Learning Academy. Today's topic is forward deployed engineer. So, what is his role and what are the skills required for this role and what he will do day-to-day work and what are the challenges he is to face as part of his role and what are the opportunities right now in the IT industry for FDE role and what is the difference between software engineer and the forward deployed engineer. So all these details we will discuss in the today's video. So let's go to the forward deployed engineer. What exactly he will do? So he's a software engineer who works directly with the customers to deploy, customize and integrate complex software into the environment. So that means mostly he is the person who is to do end-to-end development, deployment, and testing, validation, everything. So this role combines the software engineer solution architecture, product feedback, and customer-facing consulting. So here are the companies mostly hiring this FDE role. Anthropic is one of the AI company and OpenAI. Rest of the companies also hiring right now. So what FTE does actually? So these are the typical roles and responsibilities. So we can see here. So he will building customer integrations and customer systems and APIs, deploying and configuring software in customer environments, writing production quality code to solve the customer specific problems and working closely with the customers to understand their workflows and requirements. And we can see like you can also go through these roles closely, and the required skills for this is in it's in general, and I will also give few skills in the area. Strong programming skills, like commonly we have Python, Java, and Go, TypeScript, and C++. Knowledge of multi clouds, AWS, Azure, and GCP. And also we have OpenShift containers here, Docker and Kubernetes. We need experience for all these deployment purpose, and also familiarity with the distributed systems and networking. And day to day, what he will do. So meeting with the customers to understand new use case and writing backend services or integrations, deploying updates to productions, investigating performance or reliability issues, collaborating with the product and engineering teams to prioritize upcoming feature requests, and training customer engineers on best practices. So, pros, what are the pros as for this role? Significant technical ownership, and see here, fast career growth into engineering leadership, solution architects, and product management, and direct impact on the customers. Challenges. Yeah, as a FD role is always no balancing the customer requests with the engineering priorities, potential travel and on-call responsibilities, frequent context switching across different customers, need for both deep technical expertise and strong interpersonal skills. And who is good fit for this? The role is well suited for the engineers who enjoy coding but also like working directly with the people. Yeah, stakeholder communication is very important for this role. Prepare solving ambiguous real world problems over working on isolated features, and can explain technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders. And we see the difference between deployed engineer and software engineer. So we see the differences here. A software engineer primarily build core product features, and forward deployed engineer builds and deploys solutions for customers. So most of the time, deployed forward FD focus on customers and stakeholders, analysis and communication. And here, limited customer interaction. And here frequent customer interaction, product roadmap driven, customer problem driven, mostly internal collaboration, internal plus external collaboration, and focus on scalability and product deployment, focus on deployment, integration, and customer success. So here, few what are the few roles, few JD for forward deploy engineer. So he's like an a architect level of JD he is to maintain. So we see recently in one of the job portal we saw for forward deployed engineer job description. So he is like a partner with the enterprise customers to understand business requirements and design end-to-end AI-generated solutions. So this role is self. It is clearly mentioned like he need to forward deployed engineer is to work end-to-end with the customers on the understanding the requirements and business problem, and architect and develop production grade applications using large language model, agentic AIs, RAG, and multi-agent frameworks. These are the AI skill set we have. And build and deploy scalable AI solutions on AWS, Azure, and GCP using Docker and Kubernetes. So here the focus is on multi-cloud and as well as container tools, Docker and Kubernetes framework, and integrate AI applications with enterprise systems such as the third-party systems, SAP, Salesforce, ServiceNow, and REST API. And coming to the security, design secure, scalable AI architecture with guardrails, role-based authentication, encryption, and compliance controls. And optimize AI applications for latency, cost, scalability, reliability using caching, model routing, and fallback strategies. So these are all the roles. It is equal to a architect only. Yeah. So this is about forward deployed engineer roles and responsibilities and JD. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Let's meet with another video with another topic. Please subscribe my channel for the new videos.